दोस्तों होम्योपैथी में ट्राई कीजिए, जब तक ट्राई नहीं करेंगे कुछ मिलता नहीं है। माय टॉपिक अर्ली रिवर्सल चेंजेस इन रेडियोलॉजिकल फाइंडिंग्स। हम सब लोगों ने कोविड देख लिया, कोविड के बारे में बात कर ली, एक्सरेज देख लिए, HRCTs देख लिया, कोविड में मरने वालों की संख्या देख ली, लेकिन कोविड में घुट घुट के मरने वालों की संख्या किसी ने देखी नहीं। दैट इज लंग फाइब्रोसिस. Many families and many peoples are worse due to COVID lung fibrosis. Almost 2 years of a life, 2 years of a economy, 2 years of world is hampered not only due to COVID but due to lung fibrosis. My claim that is antimonium R6X and spongia tosta by the newer way in nebulization we can try to treat these lung fibrosis as an adjuvant therapy, not a complete therapy, because many patients admitted in the hospitals, ICU, they are facing with the ventilators on NIV and BiPAP. So I will rush the slides. Let's see radiological changes. सभी को pneumonia पता है. Pneumonia में pathological changes, congestion, red hepatization, gray hepatization, resolution. And the resolution state in COVID is the biggest thing because many patients, there is no resolution. Or the resolution takes almost 2 years. Some patient 3 months, some 6 months, some 11 months, but the total course is 2 years by the present guidelines that COVID sequelae can be persisted. These are the changes. On first 5 days of COVID, there is only functional changes. On the 10th day, there is some HRCT changes. Many flaws in COVID treating. बहुत लोगों ने कोविड में पेशेंट एडमिट हुआ, पहले दिन HRCT करो, दूसरे दिन HRCT करो, कुछ नहीं मिलता, लेकिन 10वें दिन पेशेंट के HRCT रिपोर्ट्स में चेंजेस मिलते। क्यों? दैट इज अ पीक्ड पीरियड ऑफ कोविड न्यूमोनिया। उसके बाद सेकेंड वीक, थर्ड वीक बहुत न्यूमोनियाज और फाइब्रोसिस थर्ड वीक के बाद रिजॉल्व होना स्टार्ट होते, एक्सरे या रेडियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस दिखते हैं। लेकिन कोविड में ऑलमोस्ट 50% पेशेंट्स में ये चेंजेस दिखते नहीं है। दैट इज परसिस्ट फॉर 2 years. So this is a first peak. It is a simple pneumonia of COVID. There is a ground glass opacities, which you seen. In the second, there is a ground glass opacities with the nodular formation. Now these nodules will turn into the emphysematous changes. This is a third that we commonly see on the WhatsApp, every media, that this is a COVID. This is the COVID ARDS. This is a third and the worst film of the COVID ARDS, which turns into the fibrosis. Now what are the fibrosis? Fibrosis, it is just reticulation, lung architectural distortions, interlobular septal thickening, traction bronchiectasis, and honeycombing in few patients, because honeycombing is more common in the tuberculosis. That's why many stalwarts says COVID fibrosis is just like a tuberculous miasm. Then why 50% of patients suffer with the fibrosis? There is very common and simple reason is, first, older the age, more the predominancy. Second, long stay in hospital. Third, higher inflammatory markers. Then patients who need ventilation for prolonged time. Then is, what are the actual cause? There is cause is unclear. Some modern physician says that the virus itself act on the alveoli give the inflammatory reaction which turns out to the fibrosis. But there is another one hidden reason, that is the effect of ventilation. Many people who treat by any ventilatory settings, by barotrauma, volutrauma, as well as the biotrauma, leads to lung fibrosis. Is any pneumonia which have fibrotic tendency? Yes, there is a Middle East respiratory syndrome which has 20% changes which leads to fibrosis, and H1N1, that is commonly known as swine flu, there is 1% chances that it will lead to lung fibrosis. फाइब्रोटिक चेंजेस, जो मैंने आपको पहले कहा था, 2 साल पेशेंट के ज़िंदगी के और फैमिली के जाते हैं एक डिसीज़ ट्रीट करने के लिए, और हर बार उसको रिकरेंट एडमिशन करना पड़ता है। क्यों? बिकॉज उसके लंग्स प्रॉपरली ट्रीट नहीं होते। CT इवैल्यूएशन में क्या मिलेगा? सबसे पहले तो एक्सपायरेटरी फिल्म लेना है, उसमें इम्फाइसेमेटस चेंज दिखेगा, दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग। ग्राउंड ग्लास ओपेसिटीज दिखेगा, मोजाइक अटेन्यूएशन दिखेगा, रेटिकुलर चेंजेस दिखेंगे। सो दिस इज अ फिनोटाइप ऑफ पेशेंट। बहुत लोगों ने कहा कोविड इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक है, एपिडेमिक है, स्टेट रेमेडीज है, क्या है? बट देयर आर 2 फैक्टर्स। लंग फाइब्रोसिस को देखने के लिए 2 चीज़ें हैं। फर्स्ट इज क्लिनिकल ग्राउंड, सेकंड इज रेडियोलॉजिकल ग्राउंड। ऑन फर्स्ट ग्राउंड सांस लगती है, दम लगता है, सोने में तकलीफ है, खांसी करो कुछ निकलता नहीं है, छाती में कैसा तो भी होता है, और सब तकलीफ मोस्टली इवनिंग नाइट लाइंग डाउन में आती है। एंजाइटी है, डर लगता है, क्या करे? सबसे बड़ी चीज़ मेरा जो ऑब्जर्वेशन दिखा, दैट इज ऑन क्लिनिकल फिनोटाइप ऑफ पेशेंट, मोर prominent breathlessness, dyspnea, radiological changes, that is emphysematous and nodular changes. So these are the two prominent remedies, antimonium Rs and Spongia tosta. What I have done, antimonium 6x I have given by the reference of Boric Metra Medica and dictionary by the dictionary of Clark. Then Spongia tosta mother tincture, which referred from the condensed Metra Medica of Constantine Hearing. Why nebulization? In aphorism 284, 6th edition, Dr. Hahnemann suggests inhalation route, but again the question arises, why nebulization only? Because when I see in patient in ICU, the patients mostly on the non-invasive ventilators or BiPAP, so there is a mechanical error to prescribe by the inhalation. So what are the standard routes? The standard route is nebulization. Second cause, whenever patient is rapidly breathing, there is a dryness of mucous membrane, so how your medicine act by inhalation? So nebulization helps to keep the mucosa moist and your medicines to act rapidly. So this is a simple video running. Go ahead. Actually, this is a video that how I prescribe medicine in ICU patients. Video is not turning on. I'm just going fast. These are the patients. First patient, 65-year female. मैंने जितने भी पेशेंट देखे, सबसे ज़्यादा होम्योपैथी की तरफ आने वाले पेशेंट पुअर फैमिली से थे, जिनके पास पहले एडमिशन के बाद दूसरे एडमिशन को ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए पैसा नहीं था. अब ऐसे चीज़ में क्या करेंगे? हॉस्पिटल में रहना है 10 दिन 15 दिन, उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? बहुत से पेशेंट ऑक्सीजन थेरेपी पे घर पे शिफ्ट होते थे, उनको मॉडर्न मेडिसिन के साथ एडजॉइंट थेरेपी में एंटी-मार 6x, स्पॉन्जिया टोसा नेबुलाइजेशन जस्ट गिवन फॉर 2 weeks, एंड आई हैव सीन द CT scan changes. So almost I have recorded 60% changes. I have prescribed medicine more than 68 patients, but the 6 patients give me the CT reports because of financial status. Many patients are from poor families, so they are unable to do CT scan. So my observation is 60% patients radiological reversal within first 2 months. So there is no sequelae, there is no long duration like 11 months and 2 years. So the family save, economy save, and everything save. But this is undisciplinary to comment and to say that 60% result is there. There is a need of study. My study is just a single step. Please come forward and do such a study so it can be a great achievement. Much more study yet needed. Please use all modes of homeopathy.
Cancer and homeopathy.
So these are the CT changes which shows reversal. There is no ground glass opacities. Some fibrous changes are there. You can see. Again, second video, because I have very few slides of this CT scan. Again, you can see the lower lobe and posterior part of these patients have fibrous changes which are resolved with the help of homeopathy, not purely by the homeopathy, but rapidly with the help of homeopathy. So again, you can see the CT changes. These all CTs are done within the 2 months after medicine given for 2 weeks, antimonium R6x, and Spongia tosta nebulization. Thank you very much. Any question?
Thank you very much for your valuable presentation.